Today we are going island hopping from Koh Phi Phi, Thailand. In this video, we'll visit Monkey Island, a Blue Lagoon snorkeling stop, the famous Maya Bay, and one more snorkeling spot before heading back to Koh Phi Phi. We started the trip from the boat, leaving the main island behind us. Even before the first stop, the views were already beautiful. Blue water, cliffs, boats, and that classic Phi Phi Island scenery all around us. Our first stop was Monkey Island. This place is famous for the monkeys that live near the beach and rocks. It's a fun and interesting stop, especially because it feels very different from the rest of the island hopping trip. Instead of just beaches and snorkeling, here you get to see the monkeys walking around, climbing and coming close to the visitors. But of course, it's better to keep some distance and not feed or touch them. After Monkey Island, we continued by boat to the next stop. And honestly, this is one of the best parts of the tour. Even between the stops, the views are amazing. You don't feel like you're just waiting to arrive somewhere. The boat ride itself is part of the experience, with limestone cliffs, clear water and beautiful views all around. Our next stop was a beautiful blue lagoon area for snorkeling. The water here looked amazing, very clear, very bright and surrounded by cliffs. One stop here, very beautiful place. Water is clean, but unfortunately not too much fish. Maybe next stop. I also went into the water here, and as I said in the video, the water was beautiful, but there were not many fish at this stop. Still, it was a really nice place to swim, relax and enjoy the scenery. After the Blue Lagoon, we got back on the boat and continued toward one of the most famous places in the Phi Phi Islands, Maya Bay. On the way there, the scenery became even more dramatic, with huge cliffs and beautiful water around us. Now we arrived to Maya Bay and we're gonna be here around 1 hour. Now it's 10:40. So 11:40 we should be back to the boat and we'll go to the next station. So let's go to explore this area. Very beautiful, finally some shadow. Okay, so here is some viewpoint over the bay. This is probably the most famous stop of the whole trip, and we had around 1 hour to explore the area. Maya Bay is known for its beautiful beach, clear water, and the huge cliffs surrounding. On the beach, wow, the sand is very white, beautiful. Wow. So we are not allowed to swim here, otherwise we will be fined. And also nice spot for the pictures. It's definitely a very popular place, so don't expect it to be empty or quiet. There are many tourists, many boats, and everyone wants to see the same famous view. But even with the crowds, it still feels special to finally visit this place in real life. For me, Maya Bay was one of the highlights of the trip because the scenery is really impressive. The beach, the cliffs, and the color of the water make it one of those places that looks almost unreal. After Maya Bay, we returned to the boat and continued to the next station, the final snorkeling stop of the trip. At this point, the tour already felt worth it, but it was nice to have one more chance to get into the water before heading back. This final stop made the trip feel more active, not only sightseeing from the boat. Lots of space to stand, surrounded by corals and rocks. After the last snorkeling stop, we started heading back to Phi Phi Island. So finally we arrived back to Phi Phi Island. 4 hour trip, 9 AM until exactly 1 PM we arrived. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed. Subscribe to my channel and see you next time. Bye bye.